Windows and doors can be your areas of greatest energy loss in a home, so proper weather stripping is very important. If you have a drafty door, well, I'm going to show you how to fix it in 15 minutes. Now, this is all you need for the project. You need a door set weather stripping kit. This is going to go around the perimeter of the door. A hammer, some type of straight edge like a screwdriver, or I've got an old chisel here. Utility knife, of course your safety glasses, and some cleaner. So step number one is take that straight edge and your hammer and carefully peel away this old weather stripping. So I'm going to get underneath that with the chisel and pry these nails away, working my way up to loosen the whole thing. Now, once I've gotten all that off, sometimes some nails are left. So take a hammer and go ahead and reset anything that's on that frame, because what you want to establish is a nice smooth surface. Now I'll just take a little rag and some, basic household cleaner, nothing fancy, just enough to clean it up. With the top piece of weather stripping cut to size, it's time to install it. Now when you go to install this, you have to close the door. You want to make sure that it's latched securely, and if there's a deadbolt, make sure you lock that as well. Sometimes you have to push on a door so that it locks securely. You want to make sure that that weather stripping fits snug against the door. Now this is vinyl, so it's flexible. You take that up into the space up here, and you kind of bend it a little bit, and then push it up into place, and make sure that it's the right length. Look at that nice fit. Now you hold that weather stripping right up against the frame, and then in the middle with it in position, you take the nails that come with the little kit, kind of push that into the jamb a little bit, and then take your hammer and just carefully tap that nail into place. Okay, now with the top piece of weather stripping installed, you do the sides. You measure the length of that and install them as well. Oh yeah, that's good. Nice weather sealed door. You did it yourself in 15 minutes. Nice job.